So, we got some leaked benchmarks of the Motorola Razr 50 Ultra, which obviously is coming out this upcoming year. And we are going to be comparing it today to the old variant, the 40 Ultra, that came out last year and is currently available for you to pick up. So this is a 40 Ultra, which gives you a 1265 single core, 3350 multi-core, and of course the upgraded 50 Ultra, which is going to be a total of around 500 plus single core upgrade, and of course it's going to be around a 900 upgrade for multi-core. Now, keep in mind, I always have to say this whenever, I show off benchmarks, because I feel like a lot of times, and I do this myself excluded, that we get really connected to the numbers like, oh, that's an 900 score difference. That's insane. That's actually an upgrade. Not really. So, while yes, in theory, it is an upgrade, it's such a little small minuscule update for 99% of users that use these cell phones. Well, yes, for the hardcore gaming every single second, video editing on your cell phone, doing crazy things, yes, you will see a difference, okay? But for 99% that just watch YouTube videos, just text, just, talk on the phone, or maybe video chat, you're not going to see much of a difference at all. Like, for those who, again, do the opposite, yeah, you might see a difference. You might see a lot of difference. But if you're not a power user or a crazy user of the phone, probably you won't see much of a difference. So it's not going to be that big of a deal for you. Now, again, for the small amount that do take advantage of this is actually a really dope upgrade. And this is a really big W upgrade-wise for this cell phone. Going from the Motorola Razr 50 Ultra from the Motorola Razr 40 Ultra. But if you're not going crazy, you're probably not going to care about this upgrade. Obviously, there's other things about this phone that's being upgraded that will interest you a little bit more. Battery life, screen size, etc. But for just talking about, product here, benchmarks, probably not going to sit there and go crazy about it. With that being said, these are some of the images we have seen over the last couple bit of weeks about the Motorola 50 Ultra, which of course will be coming out sometime very, very soon. So, still very awesome, outside of all the information given being leaked out or shown. Still very awesome that it is going to be somewhat of an upgrade. I'll see you guys in the next one.